Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to hide your Snapchat score. First thing first, make sure that the application is completely up to date and log in. When you log in, click the Bitmoji icon from the top right and here you have the Snap score. When you long press the Snap score or when you press that out, you could see your Snap score, and you could also you could see there is no such option as to hide it. Now unfortunately there is no way to hide your Snap score completely. You could also make it harder for other Snapchat user to find your profile, so see your friend request or chat with them. The only way to completely ensure that someone does not see your Snap score is to remove them as your friend and set contact me to friends only, and that is how you could hide your Snapchat score on Snapchat. So this is the only way you could do it, so otherwise there is no any other alternative. You could also try contacting or stating this or reporting this to a support team. So for that you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon. Here you could go ahead and click on feedback, and when you do it, so you could go ahead and state about it. You could go to bugs and suggestion and make a suggestion, and you could go ahead and type in the suggestion. For that you could go with Snapchat Plus, or you could just go with the settings, and then you could go ahead and make your statement. They should be able to consider a request as well. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.